What's up, off-road enthusiasts? Today we're checking out the 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra, and let me tell you, this tiny beast continues to prove that size isn't everything in the off-road world. The 2025 model keeps the classic boxy design we all love, but Suzuki's added some modern touches. Check out that robust front grille with its signature 5-slot design. Those circular LED headlights aren't just for show, they're now 30% brighter than the previous model, perfect for those nighttime trail adventures. Those chunky wheel arches aren't just for looks either. They're housing larger 16-inch all-terrain tires, and the improved ground clearance now sits at an impressive 210 millimeters. The approach angle? A killer 37 degrees. That's right, this little mountain goat is ready to tackle some serious obstacles. From the side, you can really appreciate the Jimny Sierra's compact yet muscular stance. At just 3.6 meters long, it'll squeeze through trails where bigger 4x4s fear to tread. Those reinforced rock sliders come standard now. Suzuki's clearly been listening to the off-road community. The roof rails have been redesigned for 2025, now capable of supporting up to 75 kilograms of static weight. Perfect for that rooftop tent or gear rack. And check out these new hood-mounted LED auxiliary lights. They're now available straight from the factory. Under this compact warrior, Suzuki's upgraded the already capable ladder frame chassis. The 2025 model features enhanced underbody protection plates and redesigned suspension components for better articulation. Power-wise, the 2025 Jimny Sierra gets a slight bump. The 1.5-liter engine now produces 107 horsepower and 138 newton-meters of torque. Sure, it's not going to win any drag races, but that's not what the Jimny's about. It's about that legendary All-Grip Pro 4x4 system with its low-range transfer case. Speaking of off-road prowess, the brake-based limited slip differential now works even better in low-traction situations. And that hill descent control? It's been refined to handle even steeper grades. Each comes with the option of a contrasting black roof. The improved door seals and water wading depth of 400 millimeters mean this Jimny's ready for whatever Mother Nature throws at it. And those new LED taillights aren't just for show, they're now better protected against brush and debris. Whether you're crawling rocks, fording streams, or just cruising through the urban jungle, the 2025 Jimny Sierra proves that sometimes the best things come in small packages. If you're in the market for a capable off-roader that won't break the bank or take up your entire driveway, the 2025 Jimny Sierra deserves a serious look. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let me know in the comments what you think about this tiny off-road champion. Catch you in the next one.